Hi everyone, today we're talking about how to avoid expensive mistakes with electric vehicle parts. Incompatible components can lead to efficiency losses of up to 20% in electric vehicles. Using a battery pack with a higher voltage rating than the rest of the components can lead to overheating and reduced lifespan. Regular maintenance can extend the life of an electric vehicle by 25%. Neglecting to clean and inspect cooling systems can lead to decreased battery performance and potential breakdowns. Incorrect charging can reduce battery life by up to 30%. Using a non-approved charger can cause overcharging, leading to accelerated battery degradation. Quality components can reduce maintenance costs by up to 40%. Opting for cheap, low-quality charging cables can result in frequent replacements and potential safety hazards. Overheating can decrease the lifespan of electric vehicle components by 50%. Inadequate cooling for the electric motor can lead to reduced efficiency and premature failure. Software updates can improve battery efficiency by up to 15%. Failing to update battery management software might result in inaccurate state of charge readings and reduced range. Unaddressed recalls can increase the risk of accidents by up to 60%. Ignoring a recall on faulty battery packs can result in safety hazards and potential legal liabilities. Proper training can reduce diagnostic time by up to 80%. Inadequate training can lead to incorrect installation of power electronics, causing malfunctions. Battery replacement can account for up to 50% of total EV maintenance costs. Discharging the battery below 20% regularly can significantly reduce its overall lifespan. Electric vehicle range can drop by up to 25% in extremely cold weather. Not accounting for temperature-related efficiency losses can result in customer dissatisfaction.